Keller, Texas, backyard
When
cleanup.
it's time to pay me like a friend too. All right.
But if you have trouble fitting through there, then we go around.
What is some wood or something?
I'm sorry?
Some wood or something?
Yeah, it's just all this crap my husband left back here and kept piling up, and I've gotten so sick of looking at it that, just random stuff. So basically, all of this stuff over here, sadly we have to leave the boat motor. I don't know why. So all of this, except for I guess I could keep the wood. So anything back here, gets to here, except for the two, this and that, they say.
Okay.
And then this right here is mostly full of, I don't know what. I think this is just like old dirt, some wood, random stuff, and that's it. But I want all of this gone because one, unattractive. Two, it's a nice little harbor for little critters, which my dogs tend to want to dig out.
Okay.
So yeah, this too, but not the bike.
All right.
We're gonna leave the bike. That I'm gonna keep the wood because we can always burn that, I guess. But
I'll put it up for you.
okay, I can just throw it over here for now.
Nah, this should be good.
Okay. And I'm wondering how we can make this Sick of looking at it. Why we have it, I don't know. That boat motor?
Y'all have a boat?
No. We've been married 23 years. We haven't had a boat for 25 years. And we have moved 5 times with that boat motor.
And he want the motor.
5 states with a boat motor that doesn't even work.
How you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you? Are you Ricardo? Nice to meet you. I do want to save the wood just because for the fire pit, and then this and that, and the darn boat motor stays.
Okay, the bike goes too?
Nope, the bike stays. I don't know why, but the bike stays. I don't want to get in trouble.
Gotcha.
And I sent you a message. I don't know if you got it. Do you take credit cards? Or
Debit card, cash, or check?
Okay, I have a debit card. That works. So what are we looking at here? Do you think?
$5 million.
Okay, yeah, I don't have that.
My credit card company wouldn't let me accept $5 million.
No, mine wouldn't let you have it.
I would say about just this. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
What do you think, Jay?
Oh.
I told you it wasn't a whole lot, but it would be so helpful to get it out of here.
175?
Sounds right to me. Okie dokie.
Right to me.
Yep.
175,000. None of this, ma'am? None of this?
No, we still use that. I'm just gonna stick it. My goal is to get all that out of there, finish flagstoning that in, and then put the stuff we actually want to keep in there. Kind of a pack.
Oh, you want those ones?
No, that's all right.
Clear.
Flying pot. Oh, it's at the house, right?
I'm not asking for nothing you ain't got in the truck and look for.
Umbrella stands.
Okay.
If you could grab those for me, that would be awesome.
That sounds like a dog, bro.
Polo gonna go crazy. Every time you pull up with something with a dog house, he go crazy.
Oh, my two are in the bedroom. Can you hear them?
Oh, I know. I saw that.
Yeah.
Yeah, his dog, he got a dog.
Oh, yeah.
So anytime we go do some houses or something, when we come back, he smell us and he be off.
Crazy.
Yeah, he go.
Smell well. He might smell my dogs all this stuff too.
He a dogo.
I had to lock mine in the bedroom.
I'm right here.
I don't even know what's in that wheelbarrow, but I suspect it's older. All of these good intentions that he has, and this project is all crap back here.
Is this the Keller Independent School District, Keller Indians?
Yes.
That's where I went.
You went to Keller? My daughter just graduated last year.
Oh, cool.
Man, when he graduated, it wasn't even Keller, it was Eller. 1978.
Oh, no way. That makes
They ain't even had no Indians back then.
He's a lot younger than I
Yeah, the daughter just graduated.
am. Yeah, she's at Auburn now. She's a long way from home. Makes my mama heart kind of sad.
What's she doing in Auburn? She was going to school?
Yep, she is an apparel merchandising major, and they have the number 2 school in the country for that. And
What, man?
she's at Auburn now.
For what?
Apparel merchandising.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Apparently, well.
So
and
she
they
gonna
have
a merchandiser.
Number 2 school in the country for that, so that's why she chose that. It's kind of far from home though, so.
You really don't have to go to school for that.
You got a full ride?
Oh no, we have
Oh,
to pay
shit.
for that. Yeah.
Merchandising, you know what merchandising is?
Yeah, like.
What is merchandising?
She's getting a minor in marketing.
Oh, yeah?
So when you go into a store and you look at all the displays.
Right.
Merchandising,
That
yeah.
kind of deal.
They come up with designs to make the wall, the window pop. Like,
Well, you could, but sometimes it's more about how the store is
laid out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I ain't go to college for it, man, but I know that.
Get the other end. Let's just go in.
I don't know what that long pole is, so
How many of those do we pick up? Okay.
what?
Those.
Thing?
Yeah, these are well done.
We've had that for a long time,
I bet.
and it just sits back here. And we
Hot.
have to do things. What's even the point?
What you do with it? Just
My husband just moves it from spot
I
to
mean, where's your
spot.
glove at?
Can't find the other one.
You couldn't find the other one? You want me to go get it? What's the last thing we got?
Nah, it's like 1 or 2 more things. Let me see the dollar. This ain't no help.
There's half of it. I'll get the other half. There's the other one.
That hit your toe. I swear it's gonna be over with. In that bike?
No, we're leaving the bike.
Okay.
How about that piece of where you're standing on, man?
I'm gonna leave it for now
Muddy.
just because it'll be muddy and my dogs will
How about you give us a broom and a shovel? Look at some of this trash.
Okay.
She got something right here.
Oh, she's got a push broom.
I got another broom. Oh, the snow shovel.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
There's no way to put cars in here. Really close to the end. Over here. Yeah, this didn't work.
Hey, Foster Ridge wasn't around when you was around, was it, bro?
No.
Oh, Foster Ridge.
Neither was, probably.
Ma'am, you wouldn't happen to have no spray Gatorade, would you?
Let me see. It's not something I usually keep on stock.
Vitamin, what's that water called? What's that? Vitamin water. Look at Jesus.
They're not the big ones, but
We're gonna pour them in there.
don't work anymore.
Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Gatorade time.
These suckers are hard to open. I'll let you open that because I can't get it. The only thing I have cold is beer. Sorry, I can't have that.
No, I don't even drink beer.
I don't give that away.
I'm more a Patron person myself.
I like vodka too. I'm surprised I had that.
What's up?
In the broom. In the broom.
The little one or the big one? The season to be jolly ass nigga. It's the season to be jolly ass nigga.
Come on, man. Easy job, dude. God bless you with these jobs.
Well, say alhamdulillah then.
Yeah.
Say alhamdulillah.
I'm doing a lot.
That's Houston, bro. It's one of your baby mamas, bro.
Whatever. Here.
Oh, that goes up here. Right there. My
Let me help you.
dad bought us a snow shovel as a joke. Oh, you have to turn it around. No, like upside down.
Oh,
Hang it.
oh, cause y'all ain't in the cold weather no more.
Well, yeah, but you know, there's been a few occasions where
Man,
we
what
had
you gotta do with that shovel?
to shovel.
I do not know how this go on there.
You had it right.
You had it right there.
Yeah. I don't know how it was secured in
It was
there.
right there. I got it, man.
Okay.
And
Perfect. We had 14 inches of snow here one time.
Yeah, where y'all originally from?
South Georgia. Oh, it doesn't snow like that down there. I can assure you. Oh, that's my husband's old handiwork. It's falling apart. Don't worry about it.
You like Atlanta? You been to Atlanta?
My dad was actually raised in Atlanta until this day. I do like Atlanta, but the traffic there is worse than it is here. I can only believe that.
Atlanta's small compared to Dallas.
Yeah, but Dallas and Fort Worth are spread out.
Atlanta's
in the
just-
middle,
right.
Everything goes around it, and they just don't have enough room.
Well, let me get you.
did you get your dealer or whatever, Kate?
Man, that's sophisticated. Yeah, with a
I
little,
gave you the only two I had.
with a little shot of Patron.
Share with you.
Nah, we sure out of this. We don't kiss and tell.
Okay. I don't have kids that play sports anymore, so I don't keep Gatorade.
You're proud of your daughter, aren't you?
I am proud. She's actually a cheerleader at Keller High for 4 years, so that's a sport in itself, but still.
Yeah, it is. What's your cell phone?
214-505.